Now that DJ and Kyle have the clamps off the glue ups, they've taken a scraper, scraped all the high edges off to protect the sandpaper. They're going to go ahead, put on their safety glasses, start the piece of equipment. DJ, let's get a dust collector going. Let's put a board in. Resurface the top of the wood and give us a nice, flat, workable surface. From what's going in. Thank you for your help, DJ. Thank you for your help, Kyle. Like us on Facebook, Cash Well Spent, and please subscribe to our YouTube page, My Cash Well Spent. Thanks a lot and have a great day.